What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Currency Counts, where I cover all things money. In today's video, I wanted to share with you 5 money-making apps that pay daily. Now these apps are strictly for side hustling, nothing that you're going to want to look into long term. Now let's get right into it. The first one is Field Agent. A Field Agent offers mystery shopper jobs, product trials, product audits, and more. You're most likely going to be doing product audits, like in-caps displays, placing products at eye level on shelves, among others. And what Field Agent is paying you to do is to go to these stores, take pictures of products, and make sure these companies are getting what they pay for. So the way Field Agent works is they have a list of jobs paying anywhere from $3 to $20. You take pictures of those products along with other specific instructions. You upload your pictures through the app. Once verified and accepted, you're going to get paid in as little as 1 business day. The next one is Easy Shift. Similar to Field Agent, you're going to go to retail and grocery chain stores, take pictures, and get paid. The main difference of Easy Shift is that you might be required to take more pictures than you would with Field Agent. The third one is Gig Walk. Similar to Easy Shift and Field Agent, take pictures, get paid. So if you do decide to go into this line of work, there's only so many jobs to go around in a certain area. So you're going to want to make sure that you do have all 3 apps. Alright, so we're done taking pictures. The fourth is Bird. And what they do is rent electric scooters in major cities. And this might not be in your area yet, but if it is, it's a great side hustle to jump on. What happens is when someone rents a scooter, they take it to their destination, they take it to where they're going, and they just leave it there. So you can just imagine there's scooters scattered throughout the city. So what Bird wants you to do is pick up the scooters and replace them in their designated area. The more scooters you replace, the more money you make. The second way to making money with Bird is picking up the scooters at the end of the day, recharging them, and replacing them at their base station the next day. This pays more than just moving the scooters because there's a little bit more effort involved. That's a pretty easy and straightforward way to making extra money, and they pay out daily. The last app to make money, which you can make up to $22 an hour, might not be for everybody, but I'm throwing it out there anyway. Rover. Rover is a pet sitting service that allows you to set your own schedule and prices. You can offer services like pet sitting, pet boarding, and pet walking. You can also set pet age, size, and other pet preferences that work for you. So if you're a dog person, this is definitely a good way to make some extra money, especially since you're allowed to set your own prices. So I hope this video helped you out. I want to thank you for watching. Subscribe and get notified. Check you on the next one.